started losing my hair a couple years ago. I came to the right place to get what you see right now. It's two different person from before and now. So I'm really happy with what's going on right now. Only at 4 months. It was something like, I don't know, magical, because in a matter of like 2-3 months, my hair was growing like if it was a kid already. People are amazed when they see me. They're like, where's the old Nestor? And it just makes me like happy and sad, because I know what I was before. I mean, I saw my head before and it wasn't pretty, it wasn't cute at all. When I went to the website, I saw his work. I mean, that's art. I was impressed by that. Dr. Bolton and the staff are like the best. I think this is the best place you could come and get your procedure done, and you will be really happy. I don't think you will find anywhere else to go if you recommend Dr. Bolton 100%. He is the man for this job. I just want to say, don't hold back. If you're losing your hair and you really want to be confident with yourself, come here and get yourself, get a procedure done, and you will be happy with what you're going to get.